Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog, and today we are exploring the stunning island of Santorini in Greece. Santorini is one of the most famous islands in this world, known for its beautiful sunset, whitewashed buildings and beautiful blue domes. This island is actually a group of volcanic islands, and it's a unique landscape that makes it truly special. As we walk around today, I will show you some amazing spots and teach you a few new English words. Let's dive in. Before we start exploring, let's take a quick look where we are on the map. Santorini is located in the southern part of the Aegean Sea, and it's part of the Cyclades group of islands. You can see that it has unique crescent shape, which is actually the result of volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. Our journey begins at the harbor, where you can see the beautiful cliffs of Santorini rising up from the sea. There are a lot of boats here, bobbing in the water, and on the coast you will notice a little church. It is perfect introduction to the island's coastal beauty. Look over there, you can see the cable car that takes people up to the top of the island. But there is also another way to get up, by riding a donkey. This donkey's caravan is traditional way to climb up the steep path. Walking up takes about 40 minutes, but if you prefer, of course, you can take a cable car. Fun fact, all the steps leading to the top are numbered, so you can count them as you go. And here we are on the top. Just look at the panoramic view. You can see the whole island spread out before you. The blue sea, white buildings and the cliffs make it look like a postcard come to life. Now we are on the bus, heading to the other side of the island. As we travel, we get to enjoy these incredible views from the tops of the cliffs. Santorini has a very dramatic relief. The land is rugged, with the steep cliffs plunging into the sea. The volcanic origins of the island have created a unique landscape that's both wild and beautiful. Now take a look at the other side of the island. Santorini's architecture is just famous at its views. The buildings are mostly whitewashed with blue accents, which helps them stay cool in the hot summer sun. The houses are built into cliffs, creating a layered effect that's both practical and beautiful. The style of architecture is iconic and instantly recognizable. And here we are at one of Santorini's most iconic sites, a church with a blue dome. These small churches are found all over the Greece, and they always have whitewashed walls, blue domes that match the color of the sea. They are simple yet striking, and they add to the island's charm. Many of these churches have been here for centuries, serving as places of worship and community. Here I got a nice souvenir. Now let's take a stroll down one of Santorini's narrow streets. These streets are lined with the cozy cafes and charming souvenir shops. The streets are often winding and narrow, with stone pavements and whitewashed walls, making them feel like a maze of hidden treasures. It is easy to get lost in their beauty, but it's all part of the fun. As we turn this corner, there is a cozy little cafe with amazing view of the sea. It is a perfect spot to sit down, relax and enjoy coffee while talking in the scenery. The views here in Santorini are truly unbeatable. From here, you can see there are many islands in the south of Greece, all close to each other. You can spot them on horizon stretching into the distance. Another thing you will notice on these islands is a number of cats. They're everywhere and they seem to love it here, lounging in the sun and exploring the narrow streets. Let's take a closer look at this souvenir shop. It had a special southern vibe with lots of handmade items, local crafts and colorful decorations. You can find all sorts of unique gifts to take home, each one a little piece of Santorini. The next time I visited Santorini, I decided to take the cable car. The view from the cable car is absolutely breathtaking. You can see the whole island and the sea stretching out endlessly. It's one of the best ways to appreciate the island's beauty from above. Almost every cafe in Santorini offers a nice view, but they're especially beautiful at dusk. As the sun sets, the sky lights up with the warm colors, and the whole island seems to glow. It's a magical time to sit down with a drink and watch the day turn into night. And that brought us to the end of our trip today. I hope you enjoyed exploring Santorini with me and discovering its beautiful views, charming streets and iconic architecture. Remember the word we learned today? Use this word on your own sentences and keep practicing. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure, and I can't wait to see you on the next video. Until then, happy travels. Bye for now.